Technology should be simple. Technology should be beautiful. This is the IQ Panel. The IQ Panel is easy enough for anyone to use, no matter how old you are. It keeps you connected to the things that matter most to you, like your home and your family. Sending disarm photos to your smartphone so you'll know when they arrive. With Bluetooth touchless disarming, you can leave your phone in your pocket, and the IQ Panel securely authenticates you, preparing your home for your arrival. The IQ Panel controls your entire home with an intuitive, elegant touchscreen that looks great on the wall. It uses intelligent automation to make things easier when you are home, and you can customize the photo frame to show off your latest family adventure. And when you leave again, the IQ Panel knows you're gone. And will lock your doors, arm your security system, close your garage door, adjust your thermostat, and turn off your lights, making your home secure and energy efficient. With LTE, a built-in router, panel camera, and more, the IQ Panel is the most advanced, easy-to-use, security and smart home platform available. The Qolsys IQ Panel. All in one, always connected, always innovating.